Hello, welcome to PlantTube channel. In this video, we will be taking cuttings from a dragon fruit plant and seeing how easy it is to grow, with the intention of growing some nice dragon fruits. But before I go there, I like to show you a dragon fruit plant that I grew last year. So what I want to show you in this small video clip is that if you do not train your dragon fruit, it can become messy and tangled, and you will most likely end up with a plant looking something like this. And although it does seem to produce fruit, it doesn't look very appealing. Also, the way the plant is growing is occupying double the space it should, which is one of the main reasons I had to pull it out. But before we throw it away in the compost bin, we will go ahead and select cuttings to start again in a new area. Using cuttings from a dragon fruit plant is very simple, as you will be shown in this video. So as can be seen in this video, I went ahead and cut off 2 cuttings from this dragon fruit plant. Roots will develop quite easily, so there's no need to cut off more than 2 to 3. Of course, if you need more cuttings for some reason, go ahead. Once we have finished with the cutting process, we need to go ahead and repot our new cuttings. I have decided to use 70% potting soil and 30% good organic homemade compost for this project. I made a hole 3 to 4 inches deep and then simply just placed the cutting inside. And then simply added more soil, which also helps stabilize the cutting from tipping over. Lifting the pot and hitting it on the ground slightly will eliminate any air pockets that exist. And of course, at this stage, one of the essential things that we need to do is to water our cuttings. Use any method you like to water your plants that you may find productive. Now that all the hard work has been done, we have to be patient and regularly water our plants when necessary, on a regular basis, or when needed. All that's left to do now is to sit back and wait, see how many days go by for our dragon fruit to provide us with some delicious dragon fruit. "210 days later, and now they need to be transplanted to their final destination as they have outgrown their growing container. As can be seen, a nicely well developed root system. Once again, once we have finished transplanting, don't forget to give your plant a good watering. Now we have to be patient again and wait for new growth and perhaps some dragon fruits. Feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you have found this video of interest and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.